Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to create a OneNote notebook. First thing you want to do is get into neisd.net, get yourself logged in there. When you are logged in that, you can go into the Launchpad, and when you're in Launchpad, you're going to have access to the Office 365 icon, big orange red with a Windows in the middle of it. Okay, go to Office 365, click on that, and get yourself logged in. From here, you're looking for the icons for all the different Microsoft applications right here. We're looking for OneNote, the big N that says, purple N that says OneNote. Once you get into OneNote, you're going to click on New Notebook. I've got several notebooks here that I've already started, but you're going to click on New Notebook and give your notebook a name. Your notebook should be named something to do with our class, like the principles of AV, okay? Something to do with this. You guys can abbreviate this if you'd like. So you've got a new notebook now. And inside that notebook, you're going to do several things here. You're going to create some sections, and you're going to create some, here's your sections right here, and here's your pages. So these two columns over here, section and page. So you'll create a new section for the different areas of study that we're working on. So right now we're actually in the Photoshop section. We've been doing several projects, creating things. When we create something, a man-made object is called an artifact. So we can say that we've created computer-generated artifacts. So if you create your artifacts, you're going to put them into the different sections, and you want to have a section called Photoshop, and you'll have pages in here then. Each page will be the name of what we've been doing. So we had a page on sneakers, and we can add a page here. We had a page on Cartoon Me. Whoops. Page on Cartoon Me. All right, and so put all of your different assignments, list them here, and you could even put a date on them if you want to. Cartoon Me, we did 11/29, I think is when we started that, right? And you could put 11/29. Put a date on it. So right here, you'd actually right-click and you'd paste in your stuff. Okay, whatever Cartoon Me, the actual image, you'd paste it in here. You can actually drag an image, like if you had saved it. Let's say you saved it in here, and I don't know if I have any images here. I've got some images. You can drag an image in also, and that would put it in that way. So you can copy-paste it. You can drag it in. OneDrive is really super simple as far as how you create that. Okay, so simple as that. Add sections, whatever the new section is going to be that we're working in, and say OK. This would be next section, whatever that is. And then again, you would add pages to that section, and the first page, whatever that might be, title that first page, put a date on it, right? And you've also got a section in here. Again, you can either click on Add Section, or you can right-click, rename, delete. You can actually put different colors on your sections. You can add selections here, add sections here. So you could do the About Me section. Okay. So the About Me section. And you could take that and reorder if you want that to be the top. First page, you could say About Me, and my name is, right? So go ahead and fill this out, and then when you go to share this, what you're going to do is use the share link here. You want to make sure you specify who can view. Use Northeast and apply those changes. You do not need to allow me to edit. I don't need to edit. I just want to see your work. Again, this is mostly for you, but make sure you click on People in Northeast, apply those changes, and then do not send it to me in an email. Okay? I don't want any more emails. Do the copy link, and once that link has been copied, it's in the paste buffer. If you're not certain, you can copy it again, and then you can paste that link in anywhere into the online text areas where I want you to put it on your Blackboard submission. So paste that into the online text area of the Blackboard submission, and that'll be how you submit that work to me. Okay?
So basically, you're like,